Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you some of the things I've been working on with our new website. For the students' information, this is going to be the main page. I can change the title if you'd like. I was just thinking Water, Water Everywhere, a collaborative study of water conducted by students in Jordan, Iraq, and the US. So I found this image online. I thought it was a good image for our home page. And as you scroll down, there's just kind of a brief overview of our project here. You can read it, and I'm happy to change the verbiage here as well. Project overview. I just typed this up. I can change this if you'd like, but it's a basic introduction of what the thought was behind our project and the collaborative study among our students. So it's just introducing the people who visit our website to the overall project and what our goal was. So there's that. And then the next thing, in focus, the different geographic regions that are involved in the study. Ruba, I remember you said that you were willing to do Egypt as well, so I included that here. So obviously I'll be doing the Great Lakes. Heavy, this is for you. If you wanted to do something other than the Great Zab River, let me know. I can change that. Same for you, Ruba. I figured Jordan River might be the focus of your study, but if you want to change that, let me know. And the Rio Grande for you, Rosa. This is just an overview. This site is interactive here, so you can click on any one of the images and it will take you to the region. It's also available if you just click right here from the drop-down menu. It takes you right there. So my thought was that students could use pictures that they have of the water that they're researching. So I would prefer, these are just images I have of the Great Lakes. I'd rather have my students give me some images that they've taken, and I can upload it to the site. My thought was that they could just provide a brief description of the focus of their study in that region. So for my students, they will be typing up a brief description of the Great Lakes and how we use the Great Lakes locally. So each of the regions here, Jordan, you could talk about the Jordan River and how it's important to your culture and your region. And same for the Rio Grande in Texas as well. So we click on that. And then you can easily click on the images in the edit format and upload images for your local water source. And down below as well. The next thing, topics of study. So you can click on that page, and as you scroll down, I actually combined, forgive me, but I combined the NGOs, IGOs, and international agreements into one website. Otherwise, it ended up being a lot of different things. Now we've got it down to 5 topics, but we can take the students who are working in separate groups on NGOs and then the IGOs and move it together onto that one web page. Biodiversity, conflict, economic development, water pollution. So those are the main topics that our smaller groups are going to be studying. These are all interactive too, so you can either click on the drop-down menu to go to that specific page, or you can click on the image and it will take you to this. Obviously I need to tweak, but each one of them has been given a web page that focuses on that topic, and the students can use this to upload their information. My thought was that if the topic of study is biodiversity, it'll talk about the importance of biodiversity more generally here, and then each one of these we would highlight the region, biodiversity in Jordan, involving the Jordan River and the Dead Sea, maybe biodiversity in the Great Lakes, and the work that international organizations are doing to preserve the biodiversity and how it's being threatened. So each one of the regions would get their own little box here, so I'll have to add a couple. So that would be there. And then one page for our overall conclusions when we think about all the different subtopics that students have covered. We put our overall conclusions here. I don't know, some big ideas that we have coming out of this. And then I need to tweak this too, our team. So you can see I've repurposed another website that I had created for a different program. So my thought was that we would put a group picture of our students in each one of these, and then the name of our school, where we're located, and maybe a brief description of our region, I don't know, or of our school or our students. We could do that in each one of these boxes since we have 4 participating schools. And then I could change this down here too to be anything you'd like it to be. Maybe even talk about Teachers Collaborating Across Borders, which is the program that brought us together on this program. So that's just a brief overview of what I've got so far. There's a lot of tweaking that needs to happen, but I've given you editing privileges so you can begin to explore the different ways in which to edit this website. Thanks, guys.